welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make goat meat pepper soup with boiled plantain. But the boiled plantain, I'm not going to put it inside the pepper soup. I'm going to boil it separately. So these are my ingredients for the goat meat pepper soup. As I said, I have my spices here. It's already blended. I've got my pepper here. I've got my, this is called scent leaf. In Nigerian languages, some of the languages we call it efirin. I think that's Yoruba language. I've got my onions here. It's already sliced in little pieces so that I don't like to see the onion inside the pepper soup. So I make it, I dice it very tiny pieces. It's optional. Some people don't put onions in their pepper soup, but I like putting onion in my pepper soup. So this is the goat meat. It's already cut into tiny pieces, and I've seasoned it already. Like I always say, I always prefer to season my meat, chicken, whatever I'm cooking, using to cook, down before I use it. So I've seasoned the goat meat already, so I'm going to pour it now in the pot. So I'll add the onion as well. So those are the things that I'm going to add. So I'm not going to add any water. I'll allow the goat meat, because when you boil meat, it brings out water by itself. So I'm going to allow the water, the goat meat, to bring out its water and steam the meat properly so that the seasoning can penetrate inside. I don't always advise people to add water when they are boiling their meats. It doesn't bring out the taste. And you season your meat down. If you just add water in your soup or your meat when you are cooking it, without, even if you season it, the taste is going to be different from when you season it down and you don't add water to cook the pepper soup or soup, whatever you are cooking. So we're just gonna cook it, allow it to cook for like 20 minutes. Then we check before we add other seasoning like the pepper and the blended spices. So we leave it there for like 20 minutes. Wow! See all the water in that the meat has brought, like I always say. So there's no need for us to add water when we are steaming our meat. The meat already has a lot of water in it. So now we are going to add water. Since it's pepper soup, we need more water to eat the pepper soup, isn't it? So we're going to add more water now. The meat is already properly steamed, and the whole ingredient, the whole seasoning has penetrated inside. So now let me add my water. Just add the quantity that you think, because some people like drinking plenty of water when they are eating their pepper soup. So you add as much quantity as you want, and depending on the quantity of the meat as well. See? So this is it. So now we are going to add the pepper. This is the pepper. I've already blended it, as you can see. It's already blended, so we add it. I'm going to add the spices as well. This is it. I just have to use a spoon to get, put like 2 tablespoonfuls. That should be okay. Here in the UK, it's difficult for us to get these spices. So like this one, my mom sent it to me. So I'm just managing it, you know. So we stir it. So we're going to allow it to cook for another, maybe another 10 minutes. Now that we've added the pepper and the spices, we allow it to cook. And then we add, I have my Maggi here. Like I already seasoned the meat with my all-purpose seasoning. So now I'm going to add 1 cube of Maggi. I'm just going to put the lid there. Allow it to cook for another 10 minutes. So while the pepper soup is already halfway cooked, we are going to start boiling the plantain like I told you. So this is the plantain. We're going to pour it in the pot, we add some water. This is plantain. There's a lot of plantain. You don't need to add too much water to cover the whole thing. What we want to do is we want to steam it. So that's why we add just little water, not too much to cover the plantain. So we allow it to cook for like 15 minutes as well. So we leave it at that for now. So this is the pepper soup. I think it's already cooked. It's cooked now, as you can see. It's cooked. And the plantain as well. This is the plantain. Like I told you, we just need to put little water and steam it. As you can see, it's cooked. Everything is perfectly cooked now. So we are going to dish it. Quickly going to dish the plantain. This is a very healthy food. Not much oil, no salt. If you notice, I don't use salt for my cooking. I only use all-purpose seasoning. So there's the pepper soup. I'm just going to dish the pepper soup now. See the pepper soup? Oh, this looks lovely. I already added the efirin, the scent leaf already, as you can see. It's already added in. That's it. So we'll quickly dish it now. Wow. You know, you can mix your pepper soup with different kind of meat. Like I normally put the tripe, but because of Christmas, everywhere is so busy, I couldn't get it to buy. So I decided to use only the goat meat. You can use only the goat meat. You can mix it with the tripe. You can mix it with if it was in Nigeria, I would have preferred mixing it with the intestine. I really love it. But here in the UK, we don't. I don't think I've seen it before. I haven't seen it. So you can mix it up. I usually mix it, but just because of the festive season, I couldn't get it to buy. That's the water. So this is my goat meat pepper soup with boiled plantain. I hope you enjoy my cooking. So now we are going to taste it and see how it really tastes. Let's taste it and see how it tastes. Woo! Can't wait. So this is the plantain. My cameraman doesn't eat all this stuff. He's my 7-year-old son. He doesn't eat anything. So I would have loved him to taste it, but unfortunately he can't. So I'm going to do the tasting by my side. Remember, the plantain wasn't the green one, is the already ripe plantain. You can use the green one if you want, but I think, to me, I prefer the ripe one already. Cool. Really nice. Oh, the water is spot on. Tasty. The efirin is just in there. The seasoning, the meat, Let's taste the meat and see how the seasoning is. It's really hot. Everything is just so tasty. And you're eating the meat, you can taste everything, all the ingredients. I just want to thank you for watching my channel. If you like my cooking, please subscribe to my channel and try my method of cooking. Always season your meat before cooking. Season it down and you'll see the magic. You will see the magic. I mean the magic. It's always so tasty. It's always different. When you pour your meat in your pot and just add water and add seasoning, it can never be the same as when you season your meat down. So subscribe to my channel and tap into my method of cooking and you will never regret it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for spending your time with me. See you next time. Bye.